Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a quick review of a system of linear equations. Okay, well first of all, a system of linear equations is when you have two equations with two variables, sometimes one variable, and you can solve them together. So there's three things that can happen when you have two lines, basically. First, you can have one solution, because when you solve a system, you're looking for the point of intersection. You're looking for the point of intersection where the lines are equal to each other. So you can have exactly one place. Lines could actually cross like this. And that point of intersection, which is an XY, that's the solution to the system. Again, where the lines are equivalent or equal to each other. But there's a couple other things that can happen. You can get an infinitely many solutions answer. Well, that is going to look like two lines, but they're the exact same line. They're on top of each other. And we would say the lines coincide. So we say there's infinite solutions and the lines I can't spell today, sorry about that, coincide. They coincide, so we call them coincidental lines. The last example is when there's no solution. So if I'm looking for a point of intersection and there's no solution, then that means that the lines don't intersect. The lines don't intersect, okay? So if the lines don't intersect, it means that they are parallel lines, okay? And more importantly, it means that these two lines have the same slope, because we've learned that parallel lines have the same slope. All right, now there are several methods of solving a system. Today we're going to just be talking about the substitution method. Substitution, I feel, is best to use when one variable has a coefficient of 1. Okay, so what the heck's a coefficient? Coefficient is a number in front of a variable. So for example, this 3 is the coefficient, 4 is a coefficient, 2 is a coefficient. So I only really want to use substitution if one of my variables has a coefficient of 1. Look, there's that phantom 1 in front of that x. So this might not be a bad place to use substitution. So how do we do that? Well, if we want to use substitution, we have to solve for that variable that has the coefficient of 1. So I do that by subtracting 2y to this side. So that gives me that this equation, an equivalent form of that equation would be x equals 2 minus 2y. Now I take that 2 minus 2y and I plug it in to the other equation where there's an x. Right there. So that's going to give me 3. When you plug it in, you want to put it in parentheses. 3 times 2 minus 2y plus 4y equals negative 4. All right, so now we've got to use our algebra skills. So first we're going to distribute our 3. That's going to give me 6 minus 6y plus 4y equals negative 4. We're going to combine the like terms. So we're going to get 6 minus 2y equals negative 4. We're going to balance the equation by isolating the variable, bringing the 6 to the other side by subtraction. So we get negative 2y equals negative 10. And then we divide both sides by negative 2. So that gives me that y equals 5. All right, but remember, we're looking for a coordinate point, and a coordinate point is an x, y. So we've got to find x. So we take that 5 we just got, we plug it into that equation right there, and we get x equals 2 minus 2 times 5. So x equals 2 minus 10. So x equals negative 8. So the solution to my equation would be negative 8, 5. All right, have a great day, guys. That's substitution. Have a great day.